Suppandi, did you talk to my friend Ashok as yet? The financial advisor?
I had called him, Professor. He started talking about something. About compounding. I didn't understand that at all.
Well, the concept of compounding is fairly straightforward. I can explain it to you with a nice little story that I know.
Yes. I love stories.
Okay. Many, many years ago, there lived a king and his minister. There is a terrible drought in the kingdom, Your Highness. You must open the royal stores and distribute the rice we have amongst your subjects.
But what if the drought continues? What will I do for food?
But, Your Highness...
Do not argue with me on this.
That's it. That's what I'll do. Your Highness, I found the sack lying on the side of the road yesterday. It must have fallen off the royal wagons. So I brought it back to you.
You will be rewarded for your loyalty to the throne, Minister.
Do I have your word, my king?
Of course.
Then, I want just 1 grain of this rice.
That's it? That is all you want?
How about you give me 1 grain of rice today and then double of that tomorrow and double that the day after and so on for 3 months?
That is an easy enough reward. Here you go. Your first grain of rice.
The second day, the wise minister got his 2 grains of rice. And the next day, he got double of that, which was 4 grains of rice. Then on the 12th day, he received 2,048 grains of rice. And on the day after that, he received 4,096 grains of rice. So you see, the minister was reaping the rewards that you get from the power of compounding. This compounding of rice grains continued for 3 months, at which point the minister had received over 1 billion grains of rice in all, and the king was left with none.
Well, now you have all my rice, Mantriji. What are you going to do with it?
I will distribute it amongst the people of this kingdom, so that they can ride out this drought comfortably. But don't worry, my king. I will make sure that you will never go hungry. So you see, Suppandi, such is the power of compounding. The wise minister was able to save the entire kingdom using this power. If you invest rupees 1,000 on the first of every month for 10 years at the rate of 10% per annum, through the power of compounding, you will have made rupees 2,04,845. That's 84,845 rupees more than your total investment over 10 years. The earlier you invest and the longer you stay invested, the more money you stand to make through the power of compounding.
I get it now, Professor. This power of compounding sounds like a great thing. The only problem is, I'm hungry now. All that talk of rice.
Oh, Suppandi. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.